What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage here. Man, this is a long overdue update. Long overdue. I've had more people comment in the comment section about when are you going to drive and give us an update on the GMC, your dad's truck, blah blah blah. I mean, I get fussed out. So here it is. Here we are. I believe it's a 17. Yes, I believe it's 17 GMC Sierra 1500 5.3 V8. It is the what do you call this? The double cab. It's not a full crew, even though it looks like a crew cab. It's really just kind of like a small crew. It's got the Z71 package, four-wheel drive, and it has this special elevation edition, which I believe just involves these black wheels, the running boards, just some trim. I'm not sure if there's really any extra options or anything associated with that, but it's a pretty well-equipped truck. You know, you can get these things in 100 damn trim levels and thousands of options. Oh, and it's an SLE, which, you know, SLEs tends to be towards the base end of the Sierra line. But this truck is far from a base truck. I mean, it has, see the six. It's used for storage. I mean, look how short that door is. Not the cleanest truck, but it's a nice truck. I mean, got all your power stuff. God, I gotta get on to my dad. I mean, look how dusty. We got full drive. We got our trailer brake. This one has leather. It's got the heated seats. I mean, this one's pretty loaded up. For an SLE, maybe the elevation package included the leather. Maybe. I'm not sure. You don't have like push button start, but look at that. That is my sob key, 100%. Oh wait, it is my sob key. I was thinking it was the key to this truck. Hang on. You know, these fobs are very similar. Well, I don't know. My sob key looks better. But the last generation, I think it must have been the last generation of Escalade. If you had keyless go or push button start, you get the nicer fob like my Saab fob. Alright, if that made any sense. I don't think so. Here we go. Let's crank her up. Got a great radio, man. This thing sounds good. You got the digital climate control. You got heated seats. You know, you got your little electric move your brake, your pedals back or forth. I mean, you know, it's got some options. We just used OnStar today. My dad locked the keys in the truck, and he had to call OnStar from his cell phone, and they were able to just send a signal to the truck and bloop, unlock it. Pretty handy. First time he's ever used it. You know, you get your home link buttons. No sunroof in this one. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty well equipped. Now, it doesn't have like any of the safety nannies, no lane keep or blind spot or none of adaptive cruise, none of that. 17 might have been too early for them. I'm not sure. Got your 2 USBs, couple of AC ports. Oh, there you can plug in your hair dryer and blow dry your hair going down the road. Mileage. Let's see, I gotta remind myself how these damn menus work on these trucks. Mileage. Maybe it's right here. Audio info. Okay, here we go. 16.7 miles per gallon average. This truck does have cylinder deactivation, so it does have that little trick. And we got 48,067 miles, which that's not bad for a 17. I mean, my dad doesn't drive a whole lot. You know, he drives to and from the office, and that's about it. I mean, you know, he's just, he put his first set of tires on it about, I don't know, he probably did that at right about 40,000 miles. And other than oil changes, I think that's about it. It's been a good truck. No issues, no transmission issues. You know, some of these, oh gosh, I don't know. Is this an 8-speed or still a 6-speed? You know, there were some troubles with some of these. We'll find out. I can't remember how many darn speeds it's got. But, you know, they've had some trouble with these transmissions on some of these 8 speeds and what have you. But I don't remember what this one is. If it's a 6-speed automatic or an 8-speed. But like I said, we'll find out here in just a second. God, that air conditioner is cold. Let's cut that fan down a little bit. There we go. Cut that down a tickle. Looks like we're about to get some rain. It's supposed to rain and storm just about every day this week in Georgia. Okay, there's 5, 6 speed. Yep, this is a 6-speed, which personally, thankful it's a 6-speed, because seriously, the 8-speed I think they've had some issues with. When Dad put the replacement tires on here, they're a little more aggressive tread. They're kind of a all-terrain tread. They're a pretty smooth little tire, but I can hear just a little bit of just a little sing from them at speed, but not much. I mean, just a little bit. You can hear some tire noise, but they're not like, you know, a dang mud terrain or something like that. I tried to talk him in and getting a little 2-inch lift on this thing and getting a little bigger tire, but and he thought about it. He contemplated it, because he's got some customers and some buddies that have trucks that have done that to theirs, and he likes that look. But I just think he didn't really care to spend the money and do it, which I don't blame him. I think it looks good how it is. It's a good looking truck. If it were me, the only thing I would do is maybe put just a little leveling kit on the front, just to kind of get the nose up just a hair. I know that could be done. I know a shop here in my town here that will do it for about $350. So can be done very inexpensively and easily. Let's see, Dad installed, I'm not real sure, I think this has to do with the Spotify. I'm not real sure about what that is. That's a little aftermarket add-on that he put in. I guess it's just so he can stream his Spotify music. But I thought you could do that by just connecting your phone to the screen. Who knows? I'm not sure. I'm not tech savvy, y'all. Alright, we'll kind of get a little poke at it and see what she's got. Holy cow. Man, she's got the beans. Yes, sir. Holy cow, yeah. She's got the grunt. This is the 5.3. What are the ratings on this 5.3 in 2017? Probably about, I don't know, what, 3 1/4, 350 horse? I don't even have a clue. I don't have a clue numbers on these things. But I'll say it's got plenty. Plenty. Just a great smooth, buddy. And this thing rides like a Cadillac. I mean, it goes down the road and the interstate so smooth. I mean, it really feels like you're driving a big Suburban or something, a big Escalade. It just rides so good. Just can't beat it, really. All right, another little jab. Oh, yeah. That V8 sounds so good. Sweet running motor. Sweetheart. Still kind of getting used to this Samsung S23 Ultra. A couple of people had made comments to me about low light quality. Didn't think it was that great. Y'all let me know. I'm afraid I hadn't got my I've been playing around with the settings, and I've been wanting to get on YouTube and see if I can find a tutorial or two on the camera on this thing, because literally this camera on this phone is so complex. I mean, it has like 5 lenses or something. It's pretty crazy. But anyway, there's the update on the 17 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation SLE Z71 4-wheel drive. I mean, get you some packages, people. But no, this is a great truck. This is just, I wouldn't want one with anything more or anything less. It's just a great one. But anyway, drop your comments below. I appreciate everybody that comments, and hit that like button. I sure do appreciate it. Have a great day. Take care. Peace.